Hi, V.
Hi, teacher.
Oh, V, good evening, V. Wonderful to see you again. How are you now?
I am fine.
Okay, good to know that. What did you do today, V?
Today, I go to the friend's home.
Oh, why did you go there, V? Is it her birthday?
Now, I go to play with my
Oh, you.
friend.
Oh, okay. And does she live near your house?
No,
Oh no, and that is fine, V. It's okay. So, what games did you play?
I make a play box.
Oh, aside from that, did you go somewhere today?
No, I make play box. A paper.
Oh, okay. What about in your house? What did you do?
I finish my um math homework.
Did you go to school, V?
No,
Oh no, you.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow you will.
Yeah,
Is tomorrow your first day of school?
no. Uh, 7 September is I go to school.
Oh, okay. 7th of September. Okay, thank you, V. So, I know you've eaten your dinner already. Can you tell me what did your sister or your mom cook for dinner?
Is cook uh, chicken
Oh,
and,
chicken. And
and vegetable.
okay, that's very delicious, V. And I know you are full now. So let me share my screen, V, and we will start our class now. Okay, so again, we have here making things, V. Okay, again, what is he doing, V? Wait, let me get my pen.
He
What is he
is cook,
doing? Okay, he is
he
cooking what? Cooking?
cook cooking dinner.
Yes, that is right. He is cooking dinner. What about her?
She is baking cookies.
Yes, very good. What about her? What is she doing?
She is making jewelry.
Yes, very good. What is he doing?
He is make a card.
Making a card. Okay. He is making a card. What is she doing?
He is knitting
Knitting.
a scarf.
Knitting.
Knitting a scarf.
Very good. And what is he doing? V.
He is playing music.
Okay, he is playing music. Very good. Now, we let us apply those activities in here. So you have to construct sentences like, for example, he or she cooked dinner for whom? Is it for him, for her, or for them? Okay, now what is she doing here? What did she do? We
She is cook dinner for him.
Okay, now in here, we will not use is anymore. We will not say she is cooked. It's she cooked dinner. Okay.
Yeah,
Now, how about for this one, V? What did he
he
do?
he baked cookie for
Cookie.
her.
Okay, yes. He baked cookies for her. Now, what about for this one? V, what did she do?
She is
Not she is.
mm,
She
she mm, made 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 a jewelry for them.
jewelries. Okay, jewelries,
Never,
V. Yes, because we have
never.
to. Okay, she made jewelries for them. Okay, what about for the fourth picture?
He he made a card for him.
Very good. What did she do?
She play no. She
V, knitted,
a
knitted
knitted knitted a scarf
for
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 her.
yes, and for six.
He he play 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 music for them.
Okay, yes, he played music for them. Very good, V. Are you tired today, V?
Now
No, you're not. Okay, which is good to know, V. Because I can see you are yawning. Maybe you are a little tired or sleepy now.
no.
Oh, no, you're not. What will you do after our class, V? Are you going to do something?
I read a book.
Oh, you will read a book, an English book, V?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting. What's the title of that story? Can you share it to me?
Eat a rabbit and turtle.
Oh, the rabbit and the turtle. Okay, very nice one, V. Now let us have this. What did he or she cook for him, her, or them? He or she cooked dinner for him, her, and them. Okay, now let us have the first one. The did what did he cook for him?
He cooked dinner for him.
Very good. What did she made for him? What did she make for him?
She made a card for him.
Very good, Avi. Now for two, can you tell me what did she make for her?
She made she needed
Made V,
a
just made. She made.
she made jewelry for her.
Very good. What did she knit for her?
She need,
Knitted.
uh, knitted a scarf for her.
Okay, yes, very good, V. Now, what did he play for them?
He played music for them.
Very good. What did she bake for them?
She baked cookie for them.
Very good, V. Okay, there you have it. Don't be confused whether plural or I mean past forms, V. We will continue discussing them later. Now let us have a singing activity first with the title, What Did She Knit for
Page
Him?
55. D. Sing. What did she knit for him?
What did she knit
Knit
for him?
She knitted a
A
scarf
scarf
for him.
What did
Did
they
she
bake
bake
for
for
him?
him?
They baked
baked
cookies for him.
And what did
What
he
did they
make for them?
He made a card for them. What did he cook for her?
He cooked dinner for her.
What did they make for her?
They made jewelry for her.
And what did she play for them?
She played music for them.
What did she knit for him? She knitted a scarf for him. What did they bake for him? They baked cookies for him. And what did he make for them? He made a card for them. What did he cook for her? He cooked dinner for her. What did they make for her? They made jewelry for her. And what did she play for them? She played music for them.
Okay, there you have it. We thank you so much. Now, let us proceed to this one. Okay, so you will have to tell me the activity done. Okay, like for example, make jewelry. What about in here, V?
A scarf.
Okay, yes, very good. Knit a scarf. What about for here?
Bake cookies.
Yes, very good. Fourth one.
Cook dinner.
Very good. 5B.
Play music.
And the last one.
Make a card.
Yes, that's right. Now let us have this one, V. You have to encircle it, V.
Circle.
Yeah, circle, circle. Circle, circle.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Now, she
What did she do?
a scarf
Knitted,
for him.
okay. It's knitted.
Knitted a scarf for him.
Very good. Next one.
He what is this? What is this?
Wait, let me zoom it in, V. I can see it too. What's this? What's this?
A coconut. 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 Coconut.
Okay, so probably it's something to eat, V.
Oh, he cooked dinner for her.
And the last one.
She baked cookie for them.
Okay, yes, very good, V. Next one now. You have to construct questions and, of course, answer that question. Now, For example, what did he play for them? He played music for them. What about for 2V?
What did she need for him? She
Knitted. She knitted.
knitted a scarf for him.
Okay. Next one, B.
What did she no?
What
What
did he?
did he what is he doing? Yeah, he made for her.
Make, V, make.
Made for her. He made jewelry.
Okay. It's not make anymore, V. What did he make for? Wait, it's doubled now. Okay, what did he make for her? So in here, V, we have the word did. Whenever we have do, does, did, V, we will use the base form of the verb. But since this is in the past tense, V, it should be he made. Okay, the past of make is made, right? He made jewelry. Okay, yes, he made jewelry for her. Okay, now what about for 4?
What did she make for them? She baked. No, what did she bake for them? She baked cookies.
It's not baked, V, it's baked.
Bake. She baked cookies for them.
Okay, yes, very good. She baked cookies for them. Very good. Okay, just like that, V. 5V.
What did he? What is he doing?
Cooking.
What did he cook for him? He cooked dinner for him.
Okay, yes, very good. Next one, V.
What did she make for him?
Her.
She
Her.
showed for her.
She
Made she made a card for her.
Okay, yes, very good. She made a card for her. Very good, V. There you have it. Thank you so much for that, V. Now let us proceed to the grammar animations of Unit 6, Lesson 2. Wait, let me prepare this one real quick, V. Okay, now can you try to unscramble this words here?
She cooked dinner for them.
Very good. Next one.
She made jewelry for her.
Okay, very good. Next.
He made a card for her.
Very good, V. Next one.
He played music for him.
Okay, very good. Okay, now listen and fill in the gap, V.
She made jewelry for them. She made jewelry for them.
Okay, yes, for them. Next one.
He baked cookies for her.
He made cookies
Bake.
for her.
Bake.
Bake cookie for her.
Yes, very good. Next.
She made a card for him.
She made a card for him.
Very good, V.
He cooked dinner for him.
He cooked dinner for him.
Very good. Next.
She knitted a scarf for her.
She knitted a scarf for her.
Okay, yes, very good. Now, what did she cook for him?
She cooked lunch for him. No, she cooked dinner for him.
Okay, yes, very good, V. Now, what about in here? What did she knit for her?
She knit a scarf for
Knitted.
her.
She knitted.
She knitted a scarf for her.
Yes. Okay, what did he bake for her?
He baked cookies for her.
Very good, V. What did he play for them?
He played music for them.
Very good. Okay. Now in here, you have to read and choose tick or cross, and you have to fix the sentence if it is incorrect. Okay. What? Okay. What do? What did he make for her? Okay. Yes. Very good. V. Okay. What did he make for him? Now, what about for this one?
He made a card for him. Okay.
Okay. Yes, that's correct, V. Next one.
What he made for him. It was like this. Okay.
You sure? 100% sure? What do you think, V? Is it a tick or a cross?
Cross.
Okay, why is it a cross? Can you change the word? Do you know?
No,
Or you
no,
don't?
no.
No? Okay. I told you earlier that when we have a do, does, and did, does and did, we will use the base form, right? In here, it is in the past. Okay. I mean,
Right.
okay, yes, it's just bake. Okay.
Right.
Very good. Okay, now what about in here?
She baked cookies for them. Yeah. Correct.
Okay, yes, it is incorrect. It should be,
For them. Yum, yum, yum.
yes, them. Very good. Good job. What did he bought for her?
What did he bought for
Mhm.
Alice?
Is it? Why is it correct, V?
Is it in bought?
What is past tense? Bought. It should be buy. Yes. Okay, yes, it is incorrect, V. Now, what about here?
He bought gloves for her. Is thick.
He bought, okay, clothes for her. Yes, that's right. Okay. Was that easy or difficult?
Is it's normal.
Just normal. Okay, don't worry, we'll have more activities like that, V. Now let us proceed to a story with the title Good Neighbors. Okay, let us watch this one, V.
Mrs. Brown broke her leg last week. Hi, Mrs. Brown. Let's help her. How can we help you?
Could you carry these bags for me?
Sure, no problem. The boys help Mrs. Brown all day. They walk her dog, they sweep for her, and they take out the garbage. This is heavy. Whoa, Max! Come back here. Later that afternoon,
I baked these cookies for you.
thanks, Mrs. Brown. Wow!
Okay, and the value of that story, V, is to be helpful. As you can see, Mrs. Brown broke her leg. That's why she cannot do her usual activities easily. Good thing Mike and Danny are there to help her. Okay, what about you, V? Do you like to help other people?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's nice. Now let us have this one. Mrs. Brown is sick. Is it true or false?
It's false.
Okay, Danny took out Mrs. Brown's garbage.
It's true.
Mike washed Mrs. Brown's car.
It's true.
And Mrs. Brown made a dinner for the boys.
It's
Okay, yes,
false.
very good. It's false. Thank you so much, V. And that's it for our class tonight. So I'll see you again next week. Oh, we don't have a class next week. So next week. Thank you. V. Goodbye. V. Good night.
Bye.